everyone, my name is Anjali and today I will be discussing about the circle for class 6th. So what is circle? A circle is the set of all those points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remains constant. The fixed point is called the center of the circle and the constant distance is called the radius of the circle. We will see the figure, then it will be more clear to you. I have this whole area. This is called the center. This is called the circle and this is center of the circle. So I give the name to this point is O, and this point to the line which is touches to the boundary of the circle, that is called the radius of the circle. Okay, so OA is the radius of the circle. Okay, so we can have multiple radius in our circle. So if the single term for the radius is called the, this is called the radius, and if we have multiple radius in the circle, then we call it as radii. Okay, so OA and OB are the radius of the circle. Next we will see this center we just discussed. O is the center of the circle. Circumference, okay, it's the length of the line that goes around the circle. It's the length of the line that goes around the circle. If you see, I would say it's a whole area, this boundary of this whole boundary is called the circumference of the circle. This is called the circumference of the circle, and so the formula for the calculating the circumference is circumference equal to 2 pi r. Soon we are going to do some examples on to calculate the circumference. Now you see the formula for the circumference is circumference equal to 2 pi r. We can write it in this way also, c equal to 2 r pi, okay, or it can be written as 2r equal to diameter, or the formula is pi d. It will be more clear to you once I will tell you the diameter, about the diameter and radius. So next term is radius. The radius is a line that connects the center with the circumference. It is half the length of the diameter, and the formula for the radius, calculating the radius, is radius equal to diameter divided by 2. Just now I told you this is the radius, OA is the radius, OB is the radius of the circle. So what is diameter? Diameter divides the circle into two equal halves. It's the longest chord passed through the center of the circle, and the formula for the diameter is diameter equal to twice the radius. You see in this figure, in this circle we have this is called the, this whole line BA is the diameter of the circle, and this is the twice of the radius. BA is the diameter of the circle. Okay, so what is chord? Next one is chord. Any line segment that touches a circle at 2 points, is called the chord. Okay, I have this figure. This is chord. We can have this kind of one more chord. Okay, so the next one is second. A line passing through a circle and intersecting the circle at 2 points is called a circle. Intersecting the circle at 2 points is called the secant of the circle. So in this image you see this is called the secant of the circle. This is called the secant of the circle. Okay. Next one is a tangent is a line that touches the circle at any at only one point, that is called the tangent. Okay, if you see this image, this figure, I have this is a tangent. This line is called the tangent, and the point of tangency is this point where it is touching to the circle. this point, say this is x, so x is the point of tangency or point of contact, point of tangency. Okay, point of tangency and point of contact I just told you, minor and major sector of the circle. Okay, if you see, suppose I have this area, this circle is divided in this area, this is called the minor sector. Minor sector means minor part of the circle. If you take this whole area, let's take its name, let's take its name is, this is, let's take M. Okay, MOB, this is whole area. So this is called the minor sector of the circle, and this whole area is called the, whole part is called the major sector of the circle. Okay, so now I want to tell you some formulas we are going to see which we use it for the circle. Area, how do we calculate area for the circle is area equal to pi r square is the formula for calculating the circle. Pi value is approximately 3.14 or 22/7, and I want to tell you about the semicircle also. Semicircle is the half part of the circle. So I want to tell you about the circumference. How do we calculate for the semicircle? Semicircle is the half of the circle. Okay, so in this figure you can see this is the half of the circle, and how do we calculate the circumference? Circumference equal to half I have given because this is the half of the circle, and 2 pi r. Okay, now we are going to do the some examples that it will be more clear to you. Find the circumference of the circle if radius is 7 centimeters. So the circle circumference formula is equal to 2 pi r, and c equal to 2 into 22/7 into radius is 7, so it will cut, and c equal to, c value will be 44 centimeter. Find the circumference of an arc of semicircle. I just now told you semicircle is the half of the circle. This is, suppose the radius is given 14 centimeter. Okay, so find the circumference of an arc of a semicircle and find the circumference of whole figure. Okay, first we are going to calculate about for the half of the arc of a semicircle. Arc is this area, this curvy area, this is called an arc. Okay, circumference equal to half 2 pi r. Okay, equal to half into 2 into 22/7, and the radius is given 14. This 2 will cut, and the value will be 44 centimeter. It is just for arc. Okay, now I have to calculate for the whole figure, this whole figure. So the diameter will be, if I want to say, because this half we already calculated, now I want to calculate this diameter. So diameter will be 14 plus 14, that will be 28 centimeter. Okay, so circumference will be, just we calculated this pi r plus diameter equal to pi r value we just calculated 44 centimeter. This value we just calculated 44 plus 28 will be 72 centimeter. So the answer will be 72 centimeter for the whole figure, and for the arc of a semicircle will be 44 centimeter. I hope it clears to you. One more example we are going to do for the area and circumference. Area will be, find the area and circumference of the circle where radius is 7 centimeter. Area equal to pi r square. Okay, so area equal to 22/7 into 7 into 7. This 7 will be cut, so it will be 154. So area will be 154 centimeter, and the circumference will be 2 pi r equal to 2 into 22/7. R will be 7 centimeter. So circumference will be 44 centimeter. I hope it clears to you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.